Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Let's start today's video, but before it you all have to like the video and do subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. Let's start. Student, in the last tutorial we have revised the chapter number 5, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one program of HTML and book exercise. Okay, so please watch it carefully. Let's start. Student, this is a simple program in HTML which I am going to discuss with you, where I will show you how to use start attribute. You can see the first tag is HTML. As you all know that the first two tags are HTML and head. After this I have given one title, creating order list. Okay. After this student, body is there, and then inside it H1 why I have given, just to make it bold as a heading. This is the list of colors, and then I have closed H1 here only. Now student, I have started OL means order list, and I have given start in place of type. What I have given start, because if I will not give anything, by default it will take number 1 2 3 4. If I will write particular type, so that type it will take. But start attribute is used to start the list in HTML with a specific number, the number which you will indicate in the program. So here I am indicating 5. Okay, and in li tag you can see I have written 3 items: orange, green and red. These are the colors. So according to me, my list should start like 5 6 7. It should not start like 1 2 3. We will check it. And then I have closed the OL tag, because OL tag is a container tag. So if I will start it, so I have to close it also. After that I have closed body. You can see student, first tag is HTML, but when I close, then it will be at last. The first will become last when I will close it. Then after that head, you can see in the starting after HTML head is there, but in the last it is the second last tag. So keep this in your mind. This order should be in a proper way, otherwise program can show error also. So I have closed OL tag, it means order list. After that I have closed body tag, then head, then HTML. Student, how to save a program, this you all know. So I'm not going to repeat it again, because already many videos we have given related to that. Now let's see the output. When you will write this program and save it, and when you will click on that particular HTML file, so this will open in the browser. You know we need a browser to run the HTML program. So you can see this is the list of colors, because I have given H1 heading. That's why it is coming as bold. And you can see in output, now my list order is what? 5 6 7, because I have given in the type 5. I'm showing you again. You can see in the program I have given 5, start 5. That's why it will take the list 5 6 7. Student, those who are having system, they can practice. Like I have given number, you can give alphabet. Okay, you can give alphabet. So output is clear to everyone. Now we are going to discuss one one exercise question also. Okay, take the correct option, chapter number 5. So student, with me only you can open your book and mark what is the correct answer. First one, HTML provide dash different types of list. How many type of list? 3. Okay, order, unorder and description. So this you have to be clear that there are 3 different types of list in HTML. Dash, second one, dash is a valid type in order list. Student, in order list we can write alphabetical order as well as numeric order also. That's why these both are correct. So the answer will be both of these. So please mark it. Dash tag is used before every item in an order list. Which tag? Before writing any item, which tag we write? Now so you are confirmed now about it. OL tag to we always write to start the order list. UL tag also to start the unordered list. So here we will write li tag, list item 2. This tag should be there before each item. Now fourth one, each item within an order or unordered list is written using the dash tag. See student, the same answer, only the asking way of the question is different. So here also the answer will be li only, because each item within order or unordered list is written using the li tag. That is your list tag. Clear to everyone? Very good. Now the fifth one, dash lists can be created using the UL tag. Which type of list we can create? Order, unordered or description? It is very clear. U means UL stands for unordered list. Unordered list. Okay. So the answer will be unordered. Now students, sixth one, ordered lists are created using the dash tag. Which tag? Three tags are there, UL, DT and OL. So the answer will be OL tag, order list. Clear? Now the seventh one, the DL and /DL tag defines the dash tag. Student, three options are there, A, ordered list, then unordered, then description. So this will be, this define description list. The tags which are given here will define description list. Okay. Now the eighth one, the dash tag is used to create tables in HTML. Very simple. Which tag? You can see from the option. First one is, this is for closing the tag. Second one is the opening tag. Okay. And C is none of these. But answer is available here. So the B part is the correct answer. Table. By using the table tag, we can create tables in HTML. So hope student you understood the topic properly and complete this in your book also. In next video, I will now explain the another question of the exercise. Till then, take care. Goodbye.